Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Fidget Sisters. And we're gonna be fidget trading again.
Yep.
So I'm gonna start first this color changing rainbow puppet.
Oh my god. Wait, what?
This was free.
This, it's very good, though.
Okay.
It's very good quality.
Except.
I'm going to out of the window.
I need to add myself, okay?
Okay.
So this is going to be what I'm trading. Okay.
This is
Good.
good quality. You need that.
Fine. Bam. Bam.
Yeah, this is good quality.
Fine.
This is so under.
Monkey noodle. No, not monkey. Mochi.
Wait, can I try how good quality of it? The eyes are not really good.
Still can make as a mochi. Yes.
Where's the mochi?
It's not with me.
It's not with me.
Not with me. Not with me.
I'm sure.
I'm very sure.
Can I check?
Mhm.
There.
I really like my mochi. Help me sleep.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, like this.
Mm.
Well, I went for this puppet.
Offer
Amy, can you not lie down like that? It's very rude.
this.
I only accept if you don't lie down like that. Okay. I got this rare snail puppet like that.
I got this ultra rare. It's this year's legendary.
Wrong.
No.
I want to offer that fidget spinner puppet.
Which one?
That one.
Which one?
The black color one.
And this black one?
No, the other one.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll offer you. Oh, yeah. You just gave me for free. No, I want to offer here.
Me.
Take that. These pop so good. Guys, so we kind of getting a bit bored. So I think we're going to not stop, just a few more rounds. This is gonna be a short video. What are you gonna offer for this?
I'm a bit tired.
Yeah, just what are you gonna offer?
I'm gonna offer this cube.
You're under. This is rare.
But this is rare too.
No, it's not. Rubik's Cubes are one of the most common tickets.
Then I'll take away these and add this.
Okay, sure.
Sure. Well, what is going on?
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Short video.